8. Awesome benefits of intermittent fasting for people over 40. 1. Weight management. If aids in calorie regulation and weight loss, crucial for aging metabolisms. 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. Reduces risk of type 2 diabetes by enhancing insulin sensitivity. 3. Enhanced cellular repair. Promotes autophagy, vital for cell repair and disease prevention. 4. Heart health. Lowers blood pressure, inflammation, and cholesterol, improving heart function. 5. Brain health. Boosts cognitive function and memory through increased BDNF production. 6. Longevity. Supports a longer, healthier lifespan by mitigating age-related diseases. 7. Reduced inflammation. Alleviates inflammation, reducing risk of chronic diseases. 8. Simplicity and convenience. Easy integration into daily life, offering flexibility and convenience.